Hello dear friends, this is Labutree's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe something that helps you concentrate. Now, let's begin with this cue card. Describe something that helps you concentrate. When you speak on this cue card, you should say what it is, when you do it, how did you learn about it, how it helps you concentrate. Now, let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, in today's modern lifestyle, it's quite difficult to concentrate on something for a long time. People use different techniques like yoga, meditation, walking and other activities to improve their focus. Here, I would like to talk about one thing that I do almost every day to improve my concentration, which is power nap. Power naps are a kind of very short sleep that helps to provide more energy. Whenever I feel lethargic and bored, I prefer to take a power nap. If I am at work or school, I close my eyes for a few minutes while sitting on my seat in order to relax myself. But, I usually lay down on my bed to take a nap when I am at home. I have to say I feel more energetic and motivated after sleeping for just 10 to 15 minutes. I came to know about this technique through a YouTube video, which was an eye-opener for me. At the same time, I have also read articles on the internet and acquired some valuable information and its potential benefits. As per the scientific studies, the main benefits of power naps include enhanced memory, improved cognitive performance, feeling happier and stronger logical reasoning. Moreover, in Japan, companies allow their employees to take a nap during the daytime, so they can work more efficiently. I must say, I can work/study for hours after taking a short sleep, which helps me complete my tasks fast and easily due to enhanced focus. So, I take a power nap to improve my concentration. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now let's begin with the follow-ups for this cue card. Is it important for children to learn how to concentrate? Definitely, it is very essential for young children to learn to concentrate. They need to focus on various important aspects while preparing for exams, assignments, presentations, and job interviews. Therefore, they should take part in some kind of activities, which can improve their concentration. What can employers do to help employees concentrate? I would say owners can do many things to enhance the workers' concentration. They can provide them a good working environment, so they can accurately focus on their tasks. Also, there should be some activities on a daily basis, which can rejuvenate them. What kinds of jobs require higher concentration at work? I believe almost all kinds of jobs require some level of concentration. But, jobs, like driver, need more concentration because a minor mistake can lead to a major mishap, which can put his and other people's lives in danger. Have you ever felt difficult to concentrate? Yes, I often face such issues. Sometimes, due to stress and health problems, I find it really difficult to focus on anything particular. Sometimes, because of some personal issues, I cannot concentrate on my tasks. So these were follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so you get a notification when we upload a new video. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thanks for being here.